Okay, hi, this is Dead Jack 57, also known as Michael Ellis, also known as Elias the Artist. No, I'm just joking. So what I have here is I'm working on a bioreactor. So the theory is, which I figured out a long time ago, like more than 10 years ago, um, the idea is to create a bioreactor with chlorella or spirulina, um, and preferably chlorella because it has all the essential amino acids and protein and all that junk, and beer yeast, to get the fermentation. Um, and those two organisms living in symbiosis, feeding off each other, and then whatever inputs you need for the life to sustain itself. So basically, what I'm doing right now, or what I'm in the process of doing, so I just sterilized this solution, or bionized it. If you're a Wilhelm Reich fan, um, the way I'm working on this is, sorry, I just lost my train of thought. Someone tried to call me. So in the solution is non-chlorinated water. You can use distilled water. You can use any non-chlorinated water. You can use rainwater, heck, if you're into that. Tablespoon of Epsom salt. Tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate. 1.5 liter water. Distilled water or rainwater or non-chlorinated water from whatever source. Put foil on the cap. Bring to a boil and hold it a boil for 10 minutes to sterilize the whole thing. And while that's happening, go collect a little bit of pond water from your fish tank or from a pond or from like an outdoor source or whatever that has algae growing in it, and cap that off with a breathable like cheesecloth or paper towel or something like that that can breathe in a jar. So then you have that ready to pitch when your water has cooled off to 71 degrees or lower. It has to be maintained about 71 degrees for the chlorella to stay alive, or to grow, I should say, to grow. So you're going to want to maintain that temperature, ideally. And the yeast will help generate heat. So what happens is you have a yeast chlorella symbiosis going on. So then you pitch both of them together. I don't know, or you pitch the chlorella first, so it actually establishes itself, and then go on and pitch the yeast. So what I'm doing right now is I'm pitching the chlorella, which is just the fish tank, fish tank water. You can see it has all the crap floating in it. It has some nice algae candidates. I have to do this one-handed. It's not possible. I'll just set this here. Okay, so I'm unboxing the algae for pitching. Smells earthy. That's a good sign. And we're unwrapping the foil. So we're going to pitch our algae. I don't know how much we need. Not a lot. Just enough to bring it back to 1,500 liters. And we'll save this for other experiments. Alright, so we don't heat this anymore, but we do keep it warm. So this is probably gonna have to go on top of the refrigerator or something. Or a plant grow mat, and somewhere that it can get light. Actually, this needs a lid. Actually, I had an awesome idea for air and not flies. Why not use? It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. Almost perfectly. There we go. Ta-da! That works. I don't know, figure out something. You could just tape it down or with a wire or something. Actually, a wire would probably work better. Well, I don't know, that works, I guess. So just something like that. So it can breathe. It needs the CO2 in the atmosphere to propagate in sunlight. Okay, so I will post a follow-up video when I actually have the culture going. Then I'm going to pitch the yeast. So talk to you later. Bye.